Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask videos on CapCut PC. So just select the video that you want to mask and select the mask button here under video, and here you can, like, for instance, split it. Here you can feather it out like so, and here you can rotate it. So for instance, if you want to have like another video here, you can do that, like overlay it on top. I guess I'll show you like using this like that, for instance, if you'd like to. And then you can also mask it into like a film strip type of thing. You can even like keyframe your masks and stuff like that. And on like the rectangle one, you can even create a round edges. Create round edges. My bad. Still feather that out as well. And yeah, that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!